going on, guys? What's your name?
Hey, Mark.
Hey, Mark. What's up? I'm Volker.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Colin.
Colin. Hey, what are we doing today?
Well, this is Colin's 18th birthday present.
Today?
Well, his birthday was a couple weeks ago. We're finally getting there. So
happy birthday, man.
This is what he wanted to do. We wanted to do something memorable.
So we're gonna go skydiving all the way up here, jumping out of a perfectly good airplane.
Something crazy.
Is that plane perfect?
Oh, it looks perfect to me.
It is perfect.
And it actually has gas, which is a good thing.
Yeah, that is a good thing. Well, we'll be wearing parachutes. Well, wait a minute. You're not wearing a parachute.
Yeah, you got the parachute.
Oh, I got the parachute. Okay. Let's do a check. See if you're nervous. Bring your hands out like this. Solid as a rock here. This guy, not so much. All right, let's do it. Big thumbs up.
Yeah.
Santa Cruz in California.
Yeah.
How to go skydiving? How you feeling?
Oh, I'm feeling great. I'm ready to go. Just get me up a little higher.
All right, we are getting higher and higher. Hey, this is your sunrise. It's his birthday.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy, how you feeling?
Feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm ready.
How about this one? It's fine. Hey, take good care of him, okay?
All right.
All right, guys. Hey, I'll see you outside.
We are crazy!
2 minutes! high five here.
Yeah, thanks, man. That was great. Get these guys coming in.